Hey everybody, Steve Burns here from Chromevolution.com. So, if you are kind of tired of looking at or you do not care for the plain dark gray interface that Blender gives you, you can change your UI. And we can do that inside of the themes location in your preferences. Let's go do that now. Edit menu, preferences. Let's go to themes. And under the themes, come right up here to presets in the top. And let's take a look at what we have. Look, we got this nice preset. Now, dark gray is what I have now. Let's go select Blender Light. Nice. How about if we go deep gray? Nice. I kind of like the orange highlight for the buttons. What if we want our interface to match that of Maya? There. Okay, so if you're a Maya fan, you love the interface, you can utilize that. Well, we have a minimal dark option. If we drop down, go to the next one, we have a Modo. Now, Modo is actually kind of my favorite. I've always liked their interface, so I might stick with this one here. But let's go explore some more. Print friendly. Wow, look at that. How about if we go down to white? And how about one of our old favorite interface styles, XSI? It's there. Boom. Isn't that cool? I'm going to go back to Modo. I always like their interface style, and that's what I'm going to stick in. So there you are. So you can come over here to the up to the right hand side and open up some of these and explore what you can do with your interface, or just come right up here and grab a preset and stick with that. All right. I thought you might enjoy that. So Steve Burns with ChromeVolution.com signing off, and more to come.